Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about changing the text size on TikTok. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok app, whether it's on iOS or Android, doesn't really matter. Select your profile button in the bottom right, and then select the hamburger icon at the top right corner, and select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down underneath Content and Display near the bottom where it says Accessibility and open that up. So at this point underneath Appearance, you can select the text size, adjust text size on the app. Go ahead and select that. And then you can use the slider bar to adjust the text size on the app. Once you have your preference, again, the far left side, I think, is just the default, and then it gets bigger the further over you go. You would select the Adjust button, and then it would save the change. So pretty straightforward process, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.